Do you want to move more freely, release stiffness, and feel stronger in just 1 week? Flexibility is not only about touching your toes, it improves posture, reduces pain, and helps your body move the way it's designed to. Whether you're an athlete, office worker, or simply someone who feels tight muscles every day, this 7-day plan will help you transform your body. No equipment needed, just consistency and 10 minutes a day. Day 1. Stretch basics. We start easy. Begin with gentle neck rolls, slowly circling in both directions. Next, do shoulder circles, 5 forward and 5 backward. Finish with a hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor, reach toward your toes, and hold for 20 seconds. This wakes up your muscles and prepares your body. Day 2. Hips and lower body. Sit too much, then your hips are tight. Today, focus on hip openers. Step into a low lunge, pressing your hips forward. Hold each side for 30 seconds. Then, try the butterfly stretch. Sit with feet together and gently press your knees toward the floor. This improves hip mobility and eases lower back tension. Day 3. Back and spine. Your spine loves movement. Start with cat-cow, hands and knees. Arch your back as you inhale, then round it as you exhale. Repeat for 5 breaths. Next, do a seated spinal twist. Sit tall, place one hand behind you, and twist gently. This keeps your back flexible and reduces stiffness. Day 4. Upper body. Now, open up your chest and shoulders. Try a chest opener. Clasp your hands behind your back and stretch your arms downward. Then, raise one arm overhead and lean sideways for a side body stretch. Finish with arm circles to release shoulder tension. Day 5. Hamstrings and legs. Hamstrings are often tight, especially if you sit or run a lot. Stand tall and bend forward into a standing forward fold, letting your head and arms hang. Hold for 30 seconds. Then, extend one leg forward, keep the other bent, and reach toward your toes for a single leg stretch. Day 6. Full body flow. Today, combine what you've learned into a gentle flow. Start in a forward fold, step back into a lunge, then move into cat-cow, and finish with a seated twist. Flow through these stretches with deep breathing, holding each for 15 to 20 seconds. This improves circulation and flexibility together. Day 7. Relax and restore. The final day is about recovery. Lie on your back and bring your knees to your chest for a hug stretch. Then, extend your legs up the wall for 1 minute, allowing blood flow to return and muscles to relax. End with deep breathing, letting your body fully restore. And that's your 7-day flexibility challenge. If you follow this routine daily, you'll notice looser muscles, less stiffness, and improved posture. Flexibility builds slowly, but even in a week, you'll feel a difference. Remember, consistency is key. Keep going beyond 7 days, and you'll unlock even more mobility and energy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and routines. Stay flexible, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.